Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this has been one heck of a morning, as always. I had to put my chair lower so I could reach the ground. How are y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. Everybody knows me as Cajun. Like I said, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you to all my new subscribers on YouTube. I really appreciate y'all so much. I had a great video live last night. Thank y'all to everybody, all my new subscribers and all my returning subscribers. So I have a diamond painting from New Craft Day. It is actually a Christmas one, and there was supposed to be something else with it, and I don't know what happened, but I did get this, and it came in this little box, and I'm gonna open it and show y'all. So New Craft Day has a I have a code for New Craft Day. Everything's gonna be listed in the description portion of this video. It's gonna be linked as well. And they are having a Black Friday sale. So you guys, everything will be in the description portion for the Black Friday sale because it's a lot. So everything will be in the description portion of the video, and the link to this will also be there. So, of this video. So I'm gonna pull it out because the box was like really smashed when I got it. So I have to kind of dig in there for the stuff. Okay. So this is called a special shape Christmas tree desktop. And first it comes with a toolkit. Comes with the pen, the boat, and the plate of wax. Okay? It's everything you need to diamond paint. And then I'm trying to set it up for y'all. It's kind of hard. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Look how cute this is, y'all. The drill field is very clear, as you can see. The numbers and letters are easy to see. You just match the, see how it says A? I'm gonna show y'all. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. I wanna work on it. I wanna put it on my desk. I love it. It's so cute. I love the color. It's so cute. I almost got a pink one, but I'm gonna order a pink one. Y'all know I like pink. So this is what I ordered, the blue. I don't know why. It just made me feel like Christmas. Like, you know, like the snowy-ish kind of, you know, I don't know how it's gloomy, but it's still pretty. And when it snows, it looks like a blue. I don't know. It just really reminded me of Christmas, besides being a Christmas tree. But look at the presents. How cute. All of these little presents, y'all. I can't wait. I really want to work on this. I think I'm gonna work on this soon, like really soon. And these are the drills for it. I know y'all can't see it, but I'm gonna show y'all the drills. They're special drills, so I'm gonna take these out for y'all. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm guessing these are like, so this says number 13. I think that's what it says. Well, they don't have a number 13 on here, but my guess is these may be for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These probably are for the big balls right here. This one, this one, and this one. That's my guess because they're pretty big. So I think they're so cute. Look at them. They have like a kind of an AB kind of shine to them. Look how pretty that is. Kind of like a pearlish color. It's pearl color, but look how pretty. Holographic, maybe. The color. So pretty. Look how big. They look like big Christmas balls, though. And then we have all of these. So, the number 1 corresponds to the number 1 on the tree. So that's how that works. But look at these drills. I'm going to turn them the other way so y'all could see. Look how pretty these are. It's all blues, of course, because, you know, the tree's decorated in blue. Look at these big ones. These are pretty too. I can't wait to put these on there, y'all. This won't take no time to work up. And look at these little balls. These little, I mean, they represent balls on the tree, is what I mean. So look how cute. I love that. Look at these. These are so pretty. Really pretty. Some clear crystals. So yeah, this is what came with it. It's really cute. I can't wait to work on the tree. I think it's gonna turn out well. I'm pretty sure that the back is not not workable. It's just plain, but it has this holder, so you just put it on your table or desk or wherever you want to put it. I think it's so cute. I love it. The stickiness, I'm not going to pull this off because I don't want it to, I'm scared if I pull the sticky part off that it won't stick back. But I'm pretty sure it's sticky because it's hard to take off. So that's what it looks like. It's so cute. So y'all go check out newcraftday.com, and all the information and links will be in the description portion of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.